Okay, so we're looking here. As they stand, these two equations, we cannot add or subtract them to wipe out a variable. So we have to do some manipulation. So I can multiply 2x by 3 to get 6, all right? So this equation I rewrite. In this equation, I'm going to multiply everything through by 3, okay? So I'm going to have 6x plus 9y equals 15, okay? And now my choice is, do I add or subtract to wipe out a variable? I can subtract and wipe out the x's, or eliminate the x's. 6x minus 6x is 0, all right? Then 5 minus negative 9 is negative 4y equals 19 minus 15 is 4. I have a one-step equation. I divide by each side by 4. I get y is equal to negative 1. Halfway there. So y is equal to negative 1. I start my ordered pair. Again, you should go back to the original equations to plug in order to solve for x. I'm going to choose the bottom one because the coefficients are smaller. So I have 2x plus 3y equals 5. And I'm going to plug in negative 1 for y. Then I'm going to evaluate 2x minus 3 equals 5. I have a two-step equation. Add 3 to each side. 2x equals 8. Divide by 2. And I get 4. So my ordered pair, or my answer, is 4, negative 1. Okay. Just going to erase a little of this so that it looks better. Okay. All right, so example 3, I'm thinking equivalency. So I can multiply this 2 by 2 in order to get 4. So I have to multiply everything by 2. All right, I'm going to get 4x plus 2y equals 20. Then I'm just rewriting the second line. Okay, now, can I add or subtract? I can subtract to wipe out the x's, okay? So 4x minus 4x is 0, so they eliminate themselves. 2y minus 5y is negative 3y. If you want to look at that, just keep change opposite, right? You keep change this to addition, and then the opposite of a positive 5 is a negative 5, and that would give you a negative 3. Okay. So then I would have negative 3y equals 12. I have a one-step equation, and divide by 3. And y is equal to negative 4. Okay, I'm going to start my ordered pair over here. Y is equal to negative 4. And then I'm going to choose the original top equation because the coefficients are smaller. And plug in negative 4 for y. I have a two-step equation, add 4. 2x is equal to 14. If I divide by 2, then x is equal to 7. Okay? And this is my solution, 7, negative 4. Okay. Moving along. Example number 4. Okay, we can see that if I multiplied the second by 3, could wipe out the x's. I'm going to make an equivalent equation. 3 times 1x is 3x. 3 times 1y is 3y. And 3 times 4 is 12. We have 3x plus 5y equals 8. Okay. And I can subtract to wipe out one of the variables. So 3x minus 3x is 0. So that wipes out. Then I have 5y minus 3y. That will give me 2y. And 8 minus 12. If I look at it again, keep, change, opposite here on the side, keep, change this to addition, and then the opposite of a positive 12 is negative. So this will give me a negative 4. I divide by 2. Y is equal to negative 2. So start my ordered pair, put in negative 2. All right, now again, I'm choosing the second line because coefficients are smaller. So I have x plus negative 2 equals 4. Solve this equation, add 2 to each side. X is equal to 6. There you go, 6. So my ordered pair is 6, negative 2.